morning. I'm on my way to do a Poplin order. It is a new customer that I've never had before. So I told her I would pick her laundry up by 7. It is 6:36. And then I have to stop and get some gas before I go to work at 8. So I just want you guys to come along with me. It is dark outside, so I had to put the light on. But anyway, come on, come ride along with me. Up the laundry. I never had this customer before. He or she is a brand new customer, and I'm glad they did have the laundry out when I got here. And I like this street they live on. I remember years ago I wanted to buy my first home on this street. I really like this street. But anyway, guys, I'm on my way to work, and I want you guys to have a blessed day. And I'm not going to close out now because this may be some more I want to add on to this video. So right now I'm on my way to work, and you guys have a great day. Good morning, good morning. It is 6:55 a.m. I know you can probably barely see me because it's dark outside. We're on our way to drop off the Poplin order that we picked up early yesterday morning. So come right along with me as we drop off this Poplin order, and then we'll be on our way to work at 8 o'clock. We'll be on our way to work. So let's go. It's cold out here. It's 25 degrees out here. It's cold. now I'm on my way to work. And I hope I had the video on when I was dropping it off, but I don't think I did. But I'll find out when I go edit if I had the video on when I was putting it on her porch. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video. This is just a continuation from yesterday when I picked up the laundry. So now we back, getting ready to go back to work. I have to be to work at 8 o'clock. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and close out. You guys be blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video.